Stephen Hankey, the Director of Community Development over there at Revival Stores, is here to talk about the store as well as what they offer and how you can help and donate. I say over there because everybody knows the name.
Revivals.
Right, let me say hi, then we're going to watch a video real quick. Let's jump to B-roll.
All right.
Revival stores have reinvented resale. Shop at one of our 3 locations featuring brand new and resale product with a purpose. Volunteering, donating, or shopping supports Desert AIDS Project. Shop new furniture, lighting, rugs, art, and accessories featuring brands such as Mode, Scott Living, and Ashley. Locals voted Revival's best resale store, best furniture store, and best vintage clothing store. Shop smart. Shop value. Shop Revivals.
Very cool B-roll right there. Another great way to be able to introduce and show you what Revivals offers.
Yes.
And before I jump to the Q&A, Thalia Hayden here at the station, she's going to be furnishing her home. I said go to Revivals.
Go to Revivals.
Simple as that. Hello again to you.
Hello again to you.
So, all right, so we know you got some awards. We're going to save that question for a moment. Let's talk about what sets you apart from other consignment store?
No, we're not a
Thrift
consignment
store?
store. We are a thrift store, and we're a new furniture and accessory store.
Gotcha.
So, in fact, Revivals is the only thrift store in the country that has developed its own brand of furniture and accessories.
Wow. Is that the Mode?
That's Mode at Revivals.
Wow. Is that your doing?
No, that is not my, I wish it was my doing. No, that's the team has put together that plan. They go to market, the same market that all other furniture stores shop at every year, and they select the collection of furniture, they curate it under the Mode brand. And so that's what really makes, what makes it different? It's an experience unlike any other retail store in the Valley. You know, it's the only place you can go to have a treasure hunt around thrift, donated items, and then shop a brand new collection of furniture and accessories, rugs, lighting, all with the excitement of what retail used to be, because our stores are staffed primarily by volunteers who have a lot of passion for the mission of Desert AIDS Project, which is what Revivals benefits. Everything, every time you donate, volunteer, or shop at Revivals, you are supporting Desert AIDS Project and helping provide health care to those who need it.
I'm glad you mentioned that because I want to make sure that viewers know how they can help. So
Yes.
again, by donating, shopping, or volunteering.
All three. All three. You know, we have over 200 volunteers. They make everything we do possible because we keep our costs very low. It's affordable to shop at Revivals, but because we have a lot of volunteers that work at Revivals, we're able to donate all of the profits from the 3 stores back to Desert AIDS Project to provide compassionate health care.
And you guys have good stuff down there. I was shopping and I picked up a Christian Dior trench coat, which is in perfect condition for $12.
Yeah.
So another example of the great steals you have down there.
Yeah, you can find, and that really is the thing about Revivals. We get hundreds and hundreds of new items donated every day. So our assortment's always changing. You know, you have to shop often because if you see it, buy it. It could be gone within minutes.
And chances are it will be. Talk about the award that you guys recently won.
Yeah, so we just won. We got news back from Palm Springs Life that we won their Best of the Best award for Best Resale Store and Best Vintage Clothing Store. And it's been a great year because locals have voted us the best thrift or resale store in all the local competitions. CV Independent, Desert Outlook, Desert Sun, and we're thrilled to win them because it means we're doing something right.
Well deserved. Where can we find one of your 3 stores?
So we're on the 111, we're in Cathedral City, we're in Palm Desert, we're in Palm Springs, and revivalsstores.com has a locator. You can just click on one of the spaces and the map will take you there.
Easy peasy. All right. As you just mentioned, you can find Revival stores in Palm Springs, Cathedral City, and Palm Desert. Give them a call or go online, revivals.com. A big thanks to Stephen Hankey and a big thanks to you. I'll see you in just a couple of minutes. It was quick.
Thank you. That's fine.
You like it.